Meet Adrian Ellis, a young king at King's House. He has a story to tell, one only a very few his age can. He's one of the youngest Jamaicans in history to receive the badge of honor for gallantry. Adrian says he was experiencing more than one emotion as he walked across the stage.
They feel happy and nervous at the same time when them just cheer me. Because it's my first time walking across the stage with so many people watching me. Proud of myself because not just myself, but proud of everybody that come there for support. So.
He's now the pride and the joy of Gregory Park in St. Catherine. His grandmother sat in the audience as he collected his award.
I'm feeling very proud. I couldn't prouder. Them say me spoil him, but I don't know. I love him. I love him.
So when he was walking across the stage and you hear everybody cheering,
oh my God, I run straight down there. I run straight out. But I didn't get to go over to see him go around. And we both talk with him. Me and Mr. Terlang was there and everybody.
And in true grandma fashion, she'll preserve the medal for a lifetime.
Yes, I tell him, say, I'm going to put them up for him properly. That's whenever time you need them important, you get it. I will put them up for him. Yeah, man, I love him. And everybody proud of him, the community proud of him.
I'm also his big sister and his biggest cheerleader. I feel kind of speechless. I also would want the favor to be returned if it was him. I would want someone to also save him.
Back to the day he displayed true bravery. He says he saw the act in movies and on TikTok.
When I go to school, she dropped burst up my head, so I say, I take off the undershirt and put it on the room and strive to stop the pressure to reach the hospital. After she dropped, put the shirt on it, if I and try to stop doing them, see it spray more so tight, and the taxi man come and bring her to the hospital.
No amount of rain could dampen the spirits of neighbors who sang a chorus of praise.
I'm speechless. I feel so good. I feel proud. I feel excited. Word can't explain, to be honest. And I love that for him. The sky is the limit. Alright, one Adrian, Ellis on the app, aka Dodos, one, no other.
And big up my namesake, you know, proud of him, you know. You see me? Look at juvenile about the place, you know. And thing, you know, you understand. You see me, General? Yeah, man, one of Walkers Avenue, you know, big up the youth.
He could have panicked and take away himself. And when we really see a smarty life, you know, I generally risk we run with few life. So, he is to be commended.
You can help people. If you can assist them.
Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.